My teacher is so smart, but why can't I learn anything from them?
Welcome to Curly Carbocation. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Please tell me if you like this light. I'm testing it out. It was on sale for $2. How could I resist? Now your teacher may be super accomplished and really smart, and you may not be able to get anything from them. That doesn't mean you're not smart. As someone who's had the opportunity to teach high school, I can tell you that it is the teacher's aptitude and attitude that helps the students succeed. And showing up to class with any less than your best will not help your students at all. Many of you are familiar with the teaching method of pretend that you're talking to a 5th grader. That's called the Feynman method after physicist Richard Feynman. I'd say it's a newer technique in teaching, so you'll find that younger teachers will teach better than older teachers because they were forced to teach others. If you think about generations prior, the people who got into school were the ones who just got it. They were deemed as the smart ones, and they were able to go on into university to study engineering or whatever else. And nobody ever challenged them to teach. Because at the time, just getting it was all there was to it. I have seen this method with my own professors. My old professors tend to just toss examples at us where we're just expected to solve, with very little direction. My younger professors, however, break down the mechanics of each equation and help us to understand why. And let me tell you, I learned far more from those professors. But that's because they had good professors too. The younger professors had professors who had the heart of a teacher. I'll say it, I'm as generous with my grading because I had professors who were also generous with grading. I'm silly in class because I had teachers who were silly in class. I entertain stupid ideas that the kids think are stupid because I had a professor who entertained my stupid idea and he treated it as valid. So if you don't understand anything from your professor, it's not that you're not smart, you are. They just might not have ever been forced to teach someone actually. Just because they were smart, someone patted them on the back and said, "You're good enough to teach," without actually requiring them to teach. As a sub-teacher and an online tutor, I have seen a lot of very bad curriculum that's very poorly worded. Because of the math and science skills I developed in engineering, I'm able to trace back to all of the bad decisions that happened to make sure that this bad curriculum got enacted in school. Remind yourself every day that you are smart, you're capable, and you're going to succeed. Your teacher should be the one believing in you to do so, because I believe in every single one of my students. The reason I believe in them is because I had teachers who believed in me. If this video encouraged you with school, please give me a like and I will see you next time. Bye!